Hello and happy Vlogmas Day 21. Oh my goodness, it is around 9 o'clock. I've been up for a while. I ended up going to bed at a very reasonable time last night, had a great night's sleep. So I was up bright and early around 6 o'clock and yeah, I've gotten ready. We're going to my dad's today for lunch. So I'm all ready to go. The present is wrapped. I'm picking up the cake on my way there. So yeah, I've been really productive this morning, which is great. I've also been watching Vlogmas videos, which is always fun. All right, but I thought I'd come down here and do this before I leave. So for day 21, we did a pun for fun. Yeehaw. Oh boy, that sort of scares me. Okay. So much fun. Yeah, it's cute. I mean, I like the little stars. Very nice. All right. By the way, thank you for all of the amazing feedback I got on the buttons for my Ilford jacket. The video's not been up that long and I already have a bunch of suggestions, many of which are basically ditch the plastic buttons and get some nicer ones. Or maybe I could use snaps, like nice metal snaps. I have it under good authority that Santa Claus might be bringing me a snap setting tool for Christmas. So if he does, then I could just get some really nice snaps and put those on my jacket. And if he doesn't, then I will go out and buy fancier buttons. There you go. I do have, actually, there's a sewing store right near my dad's that maybe I could stop in at on my way home. Maybe. We shall see. So yeah, so thank you to all of you who've given me your thoughts and opinions. It was much, much appreciated. All right, so I'm going to leave it here for now. I'm gonna finish getting everything ready for my dad's party. And then when I get back, probably middle of the afternoon, I'm gonna come down here and get going on my Southbank sweater dress. I was hoping I'd be able to cut it out last night. I didn't. I did get the pattern all printed and taped together and all of that good stuff. But then I went to bed and I didn't feel like cutting out fabric. Plus, Bear was lying on top of my cutting table and I didn't feel like disturbing him. So I just went to bed. All right, so I will see you in a bit. Hello, I am back from my dad's. I've actually been back from my dad's for a little bit. I've been down here cutting my Southbank sweater dress. It is 4:15 right now. Oh my gosh, it is warm down here all of a sudden. I might have to take off my sweater. All right, so yeah, I cut my Southbank sweater dress. This knit fabric from Minerva was, I mean, it's gorgeous and it's nice and soft and I'm gonna love wearing it, I'm sure. But, yeah, you won't be able to see, but it's uncuttable. This hurt my hands so badly because I needed to use a larger rotary cutter because the fabric is fairly thick. And even then it felt like I was just not cutting. And yeah, I don't know what the deal is. Even my scissors, like my shears, I was like, it was killing my hands. Anyways, it's done. I'm happy it's done. I'm not going to be buying that fabric ever again. And it is not inexpensive. I think I paid 17 pounds a meter. And 17 pounds is like 30 Canadian dollars per meter. and I have 2 meters of that stuff. So yeah, I don't know what the deal is. I mean, I've cut so many different types of fabric, and with the rotary, it's just been, and like the blade is sharp, it's fine. Anyways, not a fun little thing to do, but it's done now. And so I'm ready to start sewing. I need to change my threads on my serger, need to change the threads on my, and change the needle in my sewing machine. But yeah, I thought I'd pop on just to kind of let you know what's been happening. My dad, we had such a great time, and my dad was so happy to see all of his kids, all of his grandkids. It was, yeah, it was a really good lunch. The food was amazing. And it was just nice to be with my siblings and my nephews and my dad. And yeah, it was good. It was very, very good. So before I have to go upstairs and start thinking about what the dinner situation is going to be, I'm going to change up the threads on both machines and maybe start sewing, because now I'm worried if cutting the fabric was so difficult, like what's it going to be like to sew with it? Like, yeah, anywho, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll come back on after dinner, after hubby's gone to bed, and hopefully have progress to show you on my Southbank sweaters. Oh, I know I said this morning that I might swing by that sewing store near my dad's. Well, it completely escaped my mind, and I realized halfway home that I had meant to go there, so I didn't go. But I will definitely wait until I'm able to purchase better buttons than the cheap plastic ones I have, because all of you are absolutely right. That wonderful jacket deserves better than cheap plastic Amazon buttons. So I'm going to find some better ones to put on there. All right, so yeah, I'm going to leave it here for now. I'll be back in a bit. Hello, I'm back. It is about 9:30. So I came down here at 8 o'clock and I started sewing my Southbank. Now I had changed my threads and all the pieces were cut. So I literally started sewing at 8 o'clock. It is now 9:30 and it is done. And I absolutely love it. Love it. I'm so glad Christine convinced me to make this dress. Yeah, it's not perfect. It's a little bit big in places, but I don't even care. Now it does need a good press. I mean, these seams are chunky, and I tried to press them with my clapper, and even then yeah, you'll see there's bumps. But I wanted to show it to you before I went to bed. Now, I'm going to put some pictures in case I'm not able to get this all on camera, but let's see. Look at this. Now hopefully I'm going to be, well, not hopefully, obviously, I'm going to be wearing this with black tights and little booties, not these slippers and bare legs. But I love, love, love it. This is going to be the perfect casual dress for like a dinner at the kids' house, or the kids coming over here for dinner. If I'm ever in the office on a Friday, instead of putting on jeans, I can wear this dress. I absolutely love it. And now I need another one. And I think I may have the perfect fabric to make another one. I have like a blue denim look knit fabric, actually, that I got from Christine in her D-stash. I absolutely love this dress. It is perfect for my body shape because it doesn't cut me in half at the waist. There's no waist seam, but it does nip in a little bit, giving me a sense of a waist. And I did not cut the back on the fold. There's a seam down the back, and even that gives me a little bit of shaping over my bum. I can't tell you how much I love this dress. Yeah, even like the sleeves, Christine warned me that they were long and that I probably would need to shorten them, so I shortened them by an inch, and they hit me in a good spot. Like, I like longer sleeves in the winter. I want to be nice and toasty. I love the collar. I mean, there's nothing I don't love about this dress. It's a winner. Yeah, love it, love it. And it's so quick. 90 minutes, start to end, sewing. Yeah, amazing. No hemming, because there's a hem band. No hemming the sleeves, because there's cuffs. No putting on a finicky, because this is, like, the ratio is 1-to-1, basically. There's no stretching of anything. It just fits. Absolutely love my dress. I'm so happy I made it. Perfect end to a wonderful, wonderful day. So I'm gonna leave it here for now. I'm gonna edit and upload this and then go to bed on a serious high because, yeah, what a successful sew. I'm so happy. All right, hope you had a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.